Introducing the new WT4-AXB, SATO's basic line industrial label printer. Designed to set up easily in your environment, it offers customizable options and multiple interfaces catering to your needs. It's compatible with major printer protocols for seamless transition from other brands and fits easily into any workplace. Intuitive operation with color-coded controls allows easy media replacement. The printer supports 16 languages to keep you connected worldwide. Find out printer status at a glance with the display color. WT4-AXB is designed for easy maintenance to minimize downtime, with key parts replaceable without tools, and the printhead needing only a screwdriver. Use our software to apply configurations to multiple printers in one go. SATO agents at our global help desk are ready to assist you. WT4-AXB, your simple and easy-to-use printing solution to help your business thrive.